Welcome to Wrapsesh, Vinyl Vixen and Slim Sheddy. Here this week doing a custom motorcycle reveal.
Motorbike.
So we wrapped a motorbike.
Motorbike.
What kind of bike?
This was a ZX6R 636.
2020. Really, really cool bike. I love how aggressive the body lines and stuff are on it. One thing that's kind of interesting about this bike though is like there's double the amount of fairings from a normal full fairing
This was
street bike.
not an easy bike to do. Bikes aren't easy in the first place, but this was.
It was not meant to be wrapped.
No,
Let's put it
there
that
was
way.
literally, well, usually there's not like 3 layers of things that have to line up.
Yeah, so like instead of having one side fairing, there was like 4 side fairings.
Yeah, all for one
overlapping.
side fairing.
And not only that, but we were
And they
wrapping
went into
over,
each other.
We were wrapping orange.
And it was orange.
That's tough.
It was orange.
So I think there was like 15 plastics total for this one bike. It was pretty insane. We did this for the Deceptibike. Our buddy Josh, you can find him on Instagram and TikTok. We did his last bike, which ended up getting wrecked, and then he got this bike and did a full wrap. We've also done 2 or 3 helmets for him now as well.
Yeah.
So he's been a return customer, really, really awesome dude. We did a really, really fun design with Wrapsesh Tik Designs. And the whole theme of this bike was a Decepticon, like Transformer theme. So it just kind of looks like that alien robotic.
It looks like
Transformer.
it looks like a Decepticon.
And
it's pretty dope. But he like added color into it.
Well,
so
his colors are purple and green always.
Yeah.
That's what he does.
So he took the metal looking stuff and then added some color in there and threw some like green sparks and like, you know.
Yeah.
It looks really
Super
good.
crispy print.
Yeah.
And then we printed that on our Muto 1682 SR EcoSolvent printer, and we used an Avery matte metallic silver base, and then we used the 3M carbon fiber textured laminate.
That
Really fancy sauce.
Super fancy.
Just took the design over the top.
It looked so cool though. Just like the whole texture of it, like just added to the look of the design.
And I think he's adding a bunch of like carbon fiber accents to the bike as well.
And
Like he's still doing
well,
a
and
bunch
it
of
already,
stuff.
I think it has carbon fiber accents stock. So it has like these little
Yeah.
carbon fiber wings and stuff, and so it goes really well with it.
So anyways, we wrapped the entire bike, which, mind you, little side note I want to throw in there, Mike's usually our disassembly dude. We were so busy at the shop that I ended up taking on this whole job myself. So I did all of the disassembly, I wrapped the entire bike, the helmet, and
She doesn't usually take
all
things
the
apart and put
reassembly.
them back together.
No, I mean,
do
it's not
that.
my thing. That's
Yeah.
your thing.
But she did it, and
I'm really
there was
good.
not one bolt missing
There was
over.
no extra bolts.
There was no extra
no extra
bolts.
clips.
She
Nothing
did a
missing,
good job.
nothing broken.
Yeah.
I'm very meticulous about making a list.
She had like it was like front and back page
Yeah.
of like little notes of like, okay, this bolt goes in this hole with this style, and it was very detailed.
It was quite organized. But that's because you have to put the bike together like 2 weeks later.
Yeah.
And I'm not, like, that's not my thing, so.
Plus, just in case somebody else had to put it back together, that's why she did
Right.
that.
But point of the story is, if you set your mind to it,
You can do it.
you can do it.
You can do it.
And then, so yeah, we wrapped the whole bike. We did some reflective wheel spoke accents. We also wrapped his inner visor in this really cool sticker bomb theme.
Sticker bomb.
And then I wrapped his helmet as well. So check it out. We hope you enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching our video this week. We hope you enjoyed our Deceptibike. You can find Josh online on Instagram and TikTok. Stop.
Thresh, you're ruining the show.
Wait your turn, Thresh.
Okay, hold on.
If you guys want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, as well as TikTok at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. If you guys want to go above and beyond with a custom wrap, make sure to reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. And please, 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 make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. Okay, now Thresh. Now, and we'll see you next week. Okay.
Bum, 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 bum,
Wait, I'm the wrong way. I'm the wrong way.
Sunflower